American idioms with their meanings. Hit the hay. This means to go to bed or go to sleep. For example, I'm exhausted. I think I'm going to hit the hay early tonight. Barking up the wrong tree. This means to pursue a mistaken or misguided course of action, or to make a false assumption about something. For example, if you think I'm the one who stole your phone, you're barking up the wrong tree. Raining cats and dogs. This means it is raining very heavily. For example, I can't believe how hard it's raining. It's like it's raining cats and dogs out there.